Okay, let's dive right in. Today we're looking at the new Echo Show 11, the 2025 model.
Hmm.
And tech reviewers, well, they're buzzing, calling it the smart display we've been waiting for. Big claim.
It is a big claim. So we need to figure out, is it really that breakthrough
Mm-hmm.
or, just a bigger screen with a higher price tag?
Exactly. That's the mission. Is it the gold standard, our sources say, or just more?
Well, first impressions count.
They do. And the moment you see this thing, it's obvious. That screen, it's huge, 11 inches.
Right. And apparently very bright, very sharp looking.
Yeah, our source called it genuinely premium,
Mm-hmm.
and the bezels are way thinner this time around, so it looks much sleeker, sits better on a counter.
Less clunky, which is good for something that's always on display.
Literally, yeah, designed for display.
But it's not just looks, is it? The upgrade goes deeper.
That's what they say. Under the hood, there's this new chip, the A3 Pro.
That's the one.
Yeah.
And that's interesting because it supposedly allows for more processing on the device itself, less reliance on the cloud for everything.
Okay, but unpack that. Does smarter reaction just mean things happen faster, like a quicker screen refresh? Or are there genuinely new things this chip lets it do? We need utility, not just speed.
Good question. It enables more local processing. So
Yeah.
think about routine tasks, gestures, voice commands responding instantly, maybe better facial recognition.
Ah, so less lag time waiting for the cloud.
Exactly. And maybe better privacy for some things if the data stays local. It makes the whole interface feel more integrated, maybe less like you're just looking at a web page.
Okay, that could be significant.
And connecting that to the bigger picture,
Mhm.
that A3 Pro chip seems to power the biggest functional change here.
Right.
It's a proper smart home hub now.
Right, I saw that. This is the potential game changer, isn't it?
Could be. Crucially, it supports Zigbee, Matter, and Thread. That's the triple threat you want for modern smart home stuff.
Okay, so let's spell that out for you listening. If you're juggling different smart lights, plugs, sensors, this means you might be able to connect them directly to the Show 11 without needing those little extra hubs for each brand plugged into your router.
That's the idea. Ditch the clutter. Unify the gadgets. It's supposed to simplify everything, setup, control, translates the tech specs into hopefully actual convenience.
Yeah, getting rid of those extra boxes is a big deal for some people. Less mess behind the TV or router.
Definitely. So you've got the brain, the connectivity. What are the other bits? Camera, sound.
Usability seems strong too. The camera is 13 megapixels, and it has that auto framing thing, keeps you centered in video calls.
Which is handy.
Yeah, and the audio quality. Our sources say much fuller, much louder than the older models. Good enough for music, podcasts, that kind of thing.
So it's more of an all-rounder device then.
Seems like it. But, and there's always a but, isn't there?
Always.
Mm-hmm.
Let me guess. The price.
Bingo! It's expensive. The sources are really clear on this. If you just want Alexa for timers, weather, basic questions.
Like on your bedside table.
Exactly. Then a smaller Echo Show, 5 or 8, is, well, probably fine. This big one. It feels like overkill unless you're really going to use that built-in Smart Hub feature.
That makes sense. Pay for what you'll actually use.
And there are a couple of physical things, too. That gorgeous screen.
Uh-oh.
It's glossy. So fingerprints, definitely. And reflections if you put it near a window or under bright lights.
Yeah. The classic glossy screen problem. Something to consider depending on where you plan to put it.
Mm-hmm. And the privacy thing, the usual check.
Always important.
It isn't always listening device, naturally. But the source confirms, yes, physical camera shutter, check. Dedicated mic mute button, check. So you have those manual controls.
Good. Standard, but essential. So pulling it all together, who is this actually for?
Well, the consensus seems to be perfect for a high-traffic spot. Kitchen counter, maybe the living room, somewhere you'll actually use all the features.
Right. The hub control, the video calls, recipes up on the big screen, playing music while you cook.
Exactly. Maximize its potential. But probably a waste if it's just sitting on a desk or, like you said, a bedside table.
Makes sense. It's positioned as the premium central hub device.
Yeah. Described as Amazon's most polished smart display yet. Which brings us to our final thought for you to chew on. It hinges on that A3 Pro chip again.
Okay.
If the main benefit right now is getting rid of those extra hubs and making things a bit faster, what else could that chip unlock down the line? What deeper applications or, ecosystem tricks might Amazon enable next year that really justify this premium price tag beyond just tidying up your router setup?
So what's the future potential the chip holds? Beyond just speed and current features.
Exactly. What's the hidden utility we haven't seen yet? That's something to keep an eye on.